Hey guys, it's me, Sandra Critten. I am here to do another booster opening, though this time I have three three different ones I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a Pokemon Paldea Evolved, Yu-Gi-Oh, Legendary Duelist, Duels from the Deep, and I'm going to do a one that I did yesterday, but wanted to do another one just because it's one of the first edition limited printing. So it's the Heroes Clash. So let's get started. Um, but let's let's start with Pokemon. I'm gonna open this one here. I'm actually excited to see what I get. And yeah, when it comes to the boosters, the paper packaging is different from the foil packaging, but sometimes it is the same. Um, but when I say sometimes, I mean sometimes, as and rarely. But it kind of depends. Sometimes I don't know. I don't know how manufacturers do this, but again, it doesn't really matter to me. But some people like to ask us, what about the packaging? Is it the same as the foil packaging? Nah. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, we have this guy. Ooh, I got a Winkle. Ooh, Pinnacle. And I'm actually going to leave this right here by my feet. And yeah, I'm at home on the couch now, so it's easier for me. Got this one. And then there's this one. Some of these I don't even know how to pronounce, so I'm just going to go like this one, that one. So don't really. Ooh, Quaxwell. I think I pronounced it right. I am going to try my best with some of these, so don't worry about it too much, hopefully. And, ooh, this is a Viper. One of my favorite. Ooh, couple of, hopefully these two are both near mitts. Got this one. And, Tinkatan. Hopefully I pronounced it right. Oh. And of course I got a basic energy, though this one's a fire energy, so awesome. And that's that one for Pokemon. Next, I'm going to do Duels from the Deep, the Yu-Gi-Oh one. Let's see what I got here. I want to move these guys up here. Oh, and of course I got the usual promo card for Pokemon. So let's see what I got. Ooh, another Rank Up Magic, the 7th one. Ooh, Seal Self number 2. And of course, Narmarine's Battle Ocean. And another Chaos Xyz Nash Knight, Endearment, and another Rage of Kiryushin. So nothing too exciting except for the Nearmint. The one Nearmint. So that's that one. Now for the last and final of the three. Heroes Clash. So peel that, take that off. And of course with these, there's always, it's like a small handful. Bandished Steel. Or Brandish Steel. Like the wind. Oh. And it's Tensei Ida, aka Ingenium. Tenya Ida's older brother. Honorable Forfeit. Frozen Slash. Oh, cool. I got another idle work. Prehensile Tail. Hopefully I pronounced it right. Oh, Engine Trouble. Tentacle Strike. Hype Man. I don't really know how to feel about this one, but I'm going to show you anyway. But it's Sticky Ball Pitch. So there you have it. The 3 boosters that I just got today. Otherwise, hopefully, well, I don't really have any news about my possible second job. Right now, I feel like everything's just plausible because, well, I don't really know how to feel right now. I'm just stressed, frustrated. But the guy I was supposed to have my interview with probably didn't have his phone on, and nor did he remember that he had an interview with me, and forgot to send me the link as well for the meeting. So hopefully I will get a response soon and go from there. Anyways, stay tuned, subscribe, like, and stay tuned. I already said that, but bye for now.